Widget for Advertisers tutorials, the Whichit Engage cards. Welcome to Widget for Advertisers tutorial videos channel. Let's learn about the Whichit Engage cards. Our unique Engage cards are the commercial layout that give a clear call to action based on your audience's precise voting preferences and your marketing goals. Start by creating a widget post. Now that you've watched our Creating a Widget Post tutorial, you know the process. Just click on the Create New button in the Creative Library. Type your question and then upload images. Now after your creative is ready, it's time to attach the commercial offer that fits best to your marketing goals, using one of Whichit's unique Engage cards. Our first Whichit Engage card is the Redirect. The Redirect card is perfect to bring users to a web page based on their preference, which will be revealed once they vote. Set a customized call to action button. Choose between the options or be creative and type your own. Set a different URL for each frame of the widget post that will take them to a purchase page, your brand website, a blog post, and more. With the Redirect and the rest of Widget's Engage cards, your users will have the option to share the widget post for the page, or the page with their social media accounts, granting you more exposure. Another great way to increase your sales is to reward your audience with a customized coupon or a personalized offer that will be revealed to them once they vote and redeemed by clicking the Call to Action button. This coupon Engage card will direct them to a web page where the promo code will be applied. Now our subscription Engage card is a perfect lead generation campaign. You can capture users' emails by adding them to your database and later target them more accurately based on their preferences. Remember that by creating a widget post with this card, you will need to ensure you offer them something in return for their email, such as a newsletter subscription, giveaway, and more. Don't forget that subscription offers require you to define the terms and conditions. You will be asked to link your TNC URL. Lastly, attaching a basic Engage card to your post is a great option to expose your widget post to a new audience without using any commercial offer. For every campaign, post, or survey, choose which one of our Engage cards suits best to your marketing goal. Now, let's see an example. We will continue creating this post by attaching a coupon Engage card to our post. To create a coupon Engage card, just fill in the details of the first image and then jump to the others to add their details as well. Remember that the best way to drive your audience to the call to action is having a different commercial message for each frame, relevant to what the user has voted on. Define the start and end date of your coupon offer, as well as the code your audience is going to use to redeem it. You can also use a different coupon code for each frame. Continue by giving a catchy title and attractive description to your offer by filling the offer title and description boxes. Select one of our call to action options and enter the URL of the page you would like users to be redirected to, as well as the link to your terms and conditions or privacy policy web page. Finally, give your coupon a nice background cover by choosing an image from your computer files, Instagram account, or our free royalty library. Awesome! Now your very first coupon Engage card is ready. Review all the details and submit. Thank you for watching.